Good medical morning. This is Watson, your Prince of Popping, for World's Greatest Medical, the detailed discussion about nail fungus from the Mayo Clinic. If you're watching on social media, please share this video and click like and leave your nail fungus stories in the comments section. Before we get started, can you guess which pop star had these bad nails? Is it A. Little Richard, B. Michael Jackson, C. Prince, or D. Lionel Richie? Nail fungus is a common condition that begins as a white or yellow spot under the tip of your fingernail or toenail. As the fungal infection goes deeper, nail fungus may cause your nail to discolor, thicken, and crumble at the edge. It can affect several nails. If your condition is mild and not bothering you, you may not need treatment. If your nail fungus is painful and caused thickened nails, self-care steps and medications may help. But even if treatment is successful, nail fungus often comes back. Nail fungus is also called onychomycosis. When fungus infects the areas between your toes and the skin of your feet, it's called athlete's foot. Let's go back to our trivia question. I'll give you a hint. His best-selling single of all time had over 66 million sales globally, according to Guinness Book of World Records. Now let's look at nail fungus causes. Exciting. Fungal nail infections are caused by various fungal organisms. The most common cause is a type of fungus called dermatophyte. Yeasts and molds can also cause nail infections. Fungal nail infection can develop in people at any age, but it's more common in older adults. As the nail ages, it can become brittle and dry. The resulting cracks in the nails allow fungi to enter. Other factors, such as reduced blood circulation to the feet and a weakened immune system, also may play a role. Toenail fungal infection can start from athlete's foot, and it can spread from one nail to another. But it is uncommon to get an infection from someone else. It can happen though. So, did you guess the answer to our trivia question? If you guessed Michael Jackson, you are correct. It's said that Michael Jackson's dark nails were a result of vitiligo, and he used to wear gloves to cover the skin condition. Interesting.
Hi everyone, this is Olympic figure skater Karen Chen. I'm saying hi to Team Synergy. If there's one thing I know, it is about diet and exercise, so stay dedicated to your hard work, diet, and keep up with the great work. So I love you guys so much and good luck with everything.
Looking for a great way to cut weight and look great? Well, it's time to check out Synergy. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace, helping you target unwanted belly fat, love handles, and cellulite. Act now and start burning fat immediately. Coupled with diet and exercise, Synergy is the fastest, best way to meet your weight loss goals.